How to make a group chat on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video of Instagram tutorial, I'll walk you through on how you can make a group chat on Instagram. Instagram group chat allow friends, family members or colleagues to stay connected and socialize in a private space. It also facilitates collaboration for professionals, creative or teams and other things. So guys, follow this simple step to learn how to create a group chat on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is to navigate to your DM, tap on the paper airplane icon at the top right corner of your screen to see your Instagram feed in your direct message. In this page, tap on the pencil icon or you might see a square with a pencil inside, just like mine. Anywhere you are provided with, just tap on it. Then tap on create group. The next thing you want to do is to select participants for this group. You can select it, tap on each name and to show a check mark. You can also use the search bar. As you type in the name, Instagram will suggest the user, as you can see on the screen. Now once you are done with selecting the participant, click on create group chat button or create group depending on the one you are provided with. Just tap on it and here you have created a group chat on Instagram. Now let's do a little work on this group chat. Tap on the name above. You can add members. Just tap on the add button to add members. You can also mute messages in this group chat. You can either mute messages or call. You can leave the group chat. You can change the name and image of this group chat. Tap on change name and enter the name you want for your group chat. As you can see on the screen, tap on save. You can invite people using the link. Just copy the link. You can also change the theme of this group chat. Tap on theme and use any theme according to your preference. Let's go and check it. And as you can see, the theme has been changed. You can do all things on your group chat. You can make video calls. You can make voice call on this group chat. Now once you've done this, the participants will be notified and they can start interacting in the group chat immediately. And that's it guys. This is a very easy way to create and participate in the group chat. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to get more useful content like this, you can join our community by hitting the notification bell. See you in the next video guys. Bye.